bust your myths with these fitness facts. Myth: you can target your fat burn. The truth is, you can reduce your overall body fat, but you can't control where it comes from. Myth: you should stretch before your workout. This is outdated. You should warm up and stretch the muscles through dynamic movements. Dynamic stretching means warming the muscles through movement. Myth: lifting heavy makes you bulky. It can slim you down. Women who lift a challenging weight for 8 reps burn nearly twice as many calories than those who do 15 reps. This means more fat burned and less wobbly bits. Myth: sweating means you're out of shape. The truth is, someone who is fitter will start to sweat sooner and produce more sweat. Counterintuitive, we know. With each workout, your body becomes more efficient at sweating. Myth: don't work out on an empty stomach. Now, a study showed your body burns more fat when you work out before breakfast. The reason is, if you haven't eaten anything, your body is forced to turn to its fat stores. Myth: you must do cardio to burn fat. This is false. Various studies have shown it is one of the slowest ways to burn fat. Building more muscle and mixing in interval training is the best way. Myth: the more exercise you do, the better. One of the most important parts of your new training program is rest. All that hard work you put in, you need to let the body repair and recover. Overtraining is real. Myth: machines are more effective than free weights. This is wrong. Not only can machines restrain our form, causing problems, we also use less muscles and less effort when using a machine. Free weights are far more effective. Myth: no pain, no gain. Now, while being sore the next day is the sign of pushing your body to grow, there shouldn't be pain in your workout. Do not confuse effort with pain. If something hurts, listen to your body. Myth: morning workouts are best for your metabolism. Working out any time of the day fires up your metabolism. There is no better time than the present time. Really? The best time is when you can focus and put the most effort into the workout. This gets the best results. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more details about some of these topics. And if you have any questions, don't be shy. Drop a comment down below. Thanks for watching the Fitness Hub. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and the like button. See you next time.